Hi trend creators, welcome back to our channel Tattoo 18. Today we are going to see something super stylish, meaningful, and trending right now. Unique feather tattoos with names and initials. Feather tattoos are not just simple designs. They carry deep meaning, soft appearance, and powerful emotions. And the best part? They are one of the most commonly used designs for cover-up tattoos. Yes, many people choose feather tattoos to beautifully hide their old, unwanted tattoos. Because feathers have natural flow, soft strokes, and smooth shading. They perfectly blend with old ink and make it look like a brand new design. But that's not all. In today's video, we are going to see how feather tattoos look when we combine them with names or initials. When a feather joins with a name, it becomes personal. When a feather joins with an initial, it becomes emotional. When shading meets script, magic happens. Some people choose their lover's name. Some choose their mother's name. Some go for their child's name. And some simply ink their own initial in a stylish way. The beauty of feather tattoos is their flexibility. You can place them on the forearm, wrist, collarbone, behind the ear, shoulder, or even along the spine. Each placement gives a different vibe. Small feather with tiny cursive name on wrist looks elegant. Long flowing feather with bold name on forearm looks powerful. Minimal feather with a single initial looks classy. And if you observe closely, feather tattoos give a soft, lightweight appearance. That's why both men and women love this design. Now, let's talk about style variations. You can choose realistic shaded feather, fine line minimal feather, watercolor feather, infinity feather with name, feather turning into birds, feather blending into heartbeat line. And when we add a name inside the feather spine or along the feather line, it gives a clean and balanced look. Another important reason why people choose feather tattoos is symbolism. Feathers represent freedom, strength, spiritual growth, protection, hope. So when you combine freedom with someone's name, it feels like carrying that person's spirit with you forever. Isn't that beautiful? And for cover-up tattoos, feather design works like magic. The detailed lines and shading help us mask unwanted ink. With proper blending technique, the old tattoo disappears into the feather pattern. That's why feather tattoos are trending again and again. If you are someone who wants a meaningful tattoo, a stylish design, a name tattoo that doesn't look boring, or a creative cover-up, then feather with name tattoo is the perfect option for you. In this video, observe carefully how each feather design flows naturally with the name. Notice the font style. Notice the shading depth. Notice the placement balance. Because tattoo is not just drawing, it is art with emotion. Every feather design you see here is unique. No copy-paste. Each one customized according to the client's story. And trend creators, don't forget, choosing the right font for the name is very important. Script font gives romantic feel. Bold font gives strong feel. Typewriter font gives vintage feel. So before choosing your tattoo, think about the emotion you want to show. If you like tiny and cute tattoos, go for minimal feather with small initial. If you like bold statement, go for detailed feather with full name. Tell us in the comments, which style do you like more? Minimal or detailed? If this video gave you ideas, don't skip, watch fully. Share with your friends and relatives who are planning to get a tattoo. And for more creative tattoo ideas, trending designs, tattoo techniques, and cover-up transformations, subscribe to our channel Tattoo 18 and become part of our trend creator family. See you in the next video with another unique tattoo concept. Until then, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep inking your story.